Out here in Langley today tackling a battery problem on this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This is the old battery, so it's very relatively easy to open. It's just 1, 2, 3 and 4 10mm nuts. So first you take this one off, you take this one off, the bracket comes off, then you take off the terminals, and there you go, the battery is off. So this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The client said it wouldn't start. We came out, we did a full starting system diagnosis. Turns out the battery is dead. We went ahead and bought a new battery for them, and we'll just be replacing it. Battery swap is now complete. We have put in the new one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 nuts and bolts, and there you go, the vehicle is all done. Since we have swapped the battery, the vehicle does start and it's up and running. Now the customer can use it. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra 2 liter.